awaken, they would arise, their eyes would open, and they would run to the light. So on three, let's shout really loud. ALA. 1, 2, 3. ALA! The second ALA is for the churches on the island. That churches like Kaikola and many others around this entire island, many of them are slumbering, many of them are sleeping, not here, but many others are. And this is our way, prophetically, of speaking over the island and saying to all the churches, to all the ecclesia on this island, ALA, wake up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. ALA! And there's one more that I feel we to do. And this ALA is for this day right here. This is for the families and the residences right here in Kalikikua. And all the different areas that converge and cover this area. We are speaking over these families, over these homes, over these individuals, that they would awaken, they would arise, they would not only open their eyes, but they'll hear the church bells ringing, and they'll wonder why their heart is suddenly pulled to come here to find Jesus. So that's the third one we're going to shout, and the last one, so make it your best. 1, 2, 3.